Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and download threads on Instagram, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, what we're going to do is simply going to go ahead first access our threads app in our mobile phone, and then we're going to find all kinds of threads that has been uploaded by the people. And if let's say we have a particular one that you would like to download, it is really pretty, then we can simply go ahead, tap on it. Yeah, you can see this kind of light. So if you would like to download that particular thread, you can go ahead, long press on that particular thread photo or post, tap on the save image option given below, image save to gallery. We're going to go back, open our gallery, and you see we have that image just saved right over here from threads. If you would like to share it, you can tap on share and you can share it to your Instagram story or feed, however you would like. But that is it. So again, we can go ahead, long press on that and save that image by simply tapping on save image option. So that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.